Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds Happy Plugs Joy. The touch area is located at the back side of each earbud. So at the top right here we have a dot at the left earbud, and at the right this one is touch area, so you need to tap at this place. Now let me play some song. If you press one time at the touch area on your left earbud, you will increase the volume. So I press one time, and as you can see at this widget, I increase the volume. To lower it, you need to press two times at your left earbud. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And that's all for the left earbud. We have no more features here. Now let's move to the right. If you press one time at your right earbud, you will play or pause the song. I just pause it. Let's press again and I play song. If you press two times, you will play next track. 1, 2. If you press three times, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. And it worked. Also, if you press and hold at your right earbud, you will call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe Gemini, or maybe Bixby. So press and hold. And as you can see, Siri awake. If somebody calls to you, you can answer the call by tap one time at your right earbud. You can also finish the call by tap one time. And you can reject a call by press two times at your right earbud. Also, we have the button at the charging case right here at the bottom near to the USB-C port. If you press one time, you can check battery status. So it's a green. If it's green, it between 80 and 100. If it's yellow, it between 20 and 80. And if it's red, it's between 0 and 20. Okay, and if you press and hold at this button for at least 6 seconds, you will perform a factory reset. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!